Hey growers, welcome back to Grower Today. Today we're discussing the top 5 best indoor plants, which are low maintenance and perfect for adding greenery to your home. First up is the snake plant, also known as Sansevieria. This tough plant thrives in both low and bright light, making it a versatile choice for any room. It's also known for purifying the air by removing toxins like formaldehyde and benzene. The best part? It only needs watering every 2 to 3 weeks, making it great for forgetful plant parents. Next is the Pothos, Epipremnum aureum, a fast-growing vine that can handle low light and irregular watering. Its heart-shaped leaves come in various shades, from vibrant green to variegated white and yellow. Pothos is ideal for hanging baskets or as a trailing plant on shelves. It's also excellent at removing pollutants from the air, making your home healthier while looking great. The spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum, is another easy care plant perfect for beginners. It thrives in bright, indirect light and produces small, white flowers that turn into baby spider plants, or pups, which can be propagated easily. Spider plants are known for being resilient and excellent at filtering out harmful toxins like carbon monoxide, making them a functional and stylish addition to any room. The peace lily, Spathiphyllum, adds a touch of elegance with its glossy green leaves and white blooms. It's perfect for low-light areas and requires only weekly watering. This plant is also an air-purifying powerhouse, removing toxins like ammonia and formaldehyde. Just be cautious around pets, as it can be toxic to cats and dogs if ingested. Finally, the ZZ plant, Zamioculcas zamifolia, is one of the lowest maintenance indoor plants. It tolerates low light and dry conditions. So if you often forget to water your plants, this one is for you. Its glossy, deep green leaves add a touch of sophistication to any room. Plus, like the other plants on this list, it also helps improve indoor air quality. That's it for today's list of the top 5 best indoor plants. These plants are perfect for anyone looking to bring some greenery into their home without a lot of effort. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more gardening tips and plant care advice. Grower Today.